What? You recently have bought a car? Oh, you are planning to buy one soon. Oh, you are just interested in cars at all. Okay. So this is the only video you need to see to know everything basic about cars. So we will cover from exteriors, interiors, working, engine, transmission, everything. Just basic. We will not go very deep in anything, but it will be just basics, and you won't feel left out when topic is about cars in your group discussion, and you too have something to talk about. So we will start from the front. So this is the front side of the car, as you know. This is called as bonnet, or some people also call it as hood. So these are headlights. The below is fog light. Here is number plate, which I have covered for security reasons or my personal privacy. So to have a look inside bonnet, we will first unlock it. So here's a lever to unlock the bonnet. I hope you can see it. So we will pull it once. So most of the cars have a latch under here, so we will just have to find it and open the bonnet. So this is coolant reservoir, that is brake oil. Here is windshield washer. Here is a battery, that is a fuse box, and this is air filter. So this is overall how engine bay looks in a car, and it is somewhat similar in every car. Now moving towards side, these are tires, and my car is having diamond cut alloy wheels and disc brakes at the front. So the tire section is 205, 65, R16. So 205 means the width of the tire, how wide it is, and 65 is this section, and 16 is the diameter of the tire. So this is our rear, and rear, at the rear I have disc at the rear too, and the tire section is similar to 05, 65, R16. That's it. And okay, so from back side, this is how the car looks. It is a XUV 3XO. So these are turn indicators. This is brake light, and this is DRL, which is connecting. So this is the rear wiper. Washer is here. This is high stop lamp. These are defogger, and up there is antenna. So this is how rear looks, and here we have fuel filler, which opens from inside. I will show you that in a bit. And this is the overall profile of a car. So to open a fuel lid, we have a switch here. So we will pull it once, and the fuel lid is open. So here goes diesel, and here goes urea. Urea goes in diesel BS6 phase 2 diesel car. So that's it. Now talking about car, these are car keys. It have lock, boot open, and unlock button. So I can lock car here, and whenever I lock car, the mirror goes close automatically, and when I unlock, it won't open up. It will open when the ignition is on. So another way to open, lock and unlock the car is a request sensor present on driver handle. So in order to the car is unlocked, so I will press it once, and the car will lock. And to unlock, I will press it once again, and it will unlock. So this is driver door. So these are controls for power window. Then this side lock, This is to lock and unlock the car. This is to adjust ORVM, and this is to fold unfold the ORVMs. So this is the door pocket, also known as map pocket. Here are bottle holders. There is headlamp leveler. What does headlamp leveler does? So headlamp levelers at 0 means it is at the highest position. As we move upwards, the headlamp tilts down, and it is used when the car is on full load and there are many people, and car tend to lift from front side slightly, so the headlight level goes up, and it is not properly lighting the road. So this is a start stop button. It is used to shut off the engine in and when there is traffic, and if you put the car in neutral and release the clutch pedal, the car will automatically start, and as soon as you press clutch and put it in gear, it will start automatically. This is done to save the fuel. So here is a push button start. In order to we will first press it once, and it will so pressing it once opens ORVM, powers up the instrument cluster as well as infotainment system. These are AC control, and here you see the light is red on the button. Whenever I press the clutch fully, it will turn green, means if I press it now, it will start the engine. But for now we will not start the engine, it will make a lot of noise. So starting from the steering wheel, this is horn. These are controls for cruise control. These are to navigate infotainment screen. These are volume controls. These are source and voice command, and these are accept or reject the call. Talking on this stop, so this is wiper stop, and this is indicator and headlight stock. So this is the infotainment screen. So these are buttons for rear defogger. This is light for airbag. This is hazard switch. This is traction control, and these are steering modes. These are AC controls. If I press auto, the AC will set the blower speed and direction flow mode on its own according to temperature. This is AC switch. This is mode, and this is to increase or decrease the fan speed. This is to turn off the air conditioner. This is dual zone. This is memory. This is front defogger, and this is recirculation mode. And here is a socket for charging as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This is a wireless charger. So it is a 6-speed manual gearbox. So in this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. But if you want to use reverse, here is a lever. You have to press it up once and it will go further, and this will engage reverse gear. Further, these are co-passenger side. There is nothing much, just a power window switch and switch to open and close the door. So here is a glove box. It is a soft opening one. It is quite deep, and this is sun visor. It is used to block the sun at evening and morning times. Here is a mirror also along with light. This is a sunglass holder. These are cabin lights, and no vanity mirror on driver side. This is a sunroof with manual shade. In order to open sunroof, press this once, it will open till that much. Press it once again, it will open further. To close, pull it once and it will close. We have to close the sunshade manually. So that's it. This is a handbrake. These are some cup holders. There is some space in driver armrest. Now we will take a look at the rear cabin. We have power window switch and map pockets at the rear. So once we are seated, I can show you the height adjustable seat belt for the front passengers. And here is a grab handle. Mahindra have given a center light here also. And these are AC vents, 12 volt charging socket as well as a Type C. So here is some space behind front seats there too, and we also have a center armrest with two cup holders. All the three adjustable headrest. Sorry, I haven't removed the plastic set as it is a new car. So now we will take a look at the boot. So to open boot, here is a request sensor. We will press it once and it will go up. So this is somewhat space in the car, and here are switch to tumble the seats, and here also. So these are 60/40 tumble seats. Okay. So this is the request sensor I was talking about. Okay, so that was the walk around for the car, and I think I have covered many of things, almost everything. So if there's anything you want specifically, just comment it down, or if there is any specific topic you want me to make videos on, suggest them in comment section. Also, if you want me to make an easy tutorial and guide how to learn car, I will share that too. Just comment whatever you need. I will make videos on them. Thank you.